In our previous video, we have learnt about circle, right? What is circle? What are its different parts of the circle we are familiar with now. Now we know the edge of the circle that forms a ring is called a circumference of a circle, right? In this video, let us learn how to find the perimeter of a circle. You must be thinking, perimeter of a circle? Yes, you are right. We have a special name for the perimeter of a circle. It's called circumference. But how do we measure the circumference of a circle? As we know, this boundary of the circle will be its perimeter. The circle is round and the scale we use to measure any length is straight. But how do we measure the circumference of this circle? Let's understand this in detail. To find the circumference of a circle, we need to know the diameter of the circle. Once you know the diameter of the circle, then you can find the circumference by multiplying diameter into pi. Now you must be thinking, what is that pi is? The key to finding the circumference of a circle, there is a special number called pi. The value of pi is approximately 3.14. Pi value you get when you divide circumference by its diameter. The ratio of circumference to diameter is the same, turn out to be this number. Approximately equal the value of pi. No matter which circle you look at, this number is non-terminating and non-recurring decimal number. So the value of pi does not terminate. So far, any circle, the ratio of circumference to diameter, that is pi is equal to c by d. Remember, these are just approximate value of pi. These are not exact value of pi. For ease of calculation, the value of pi is taken to be 3.14. This is a very interesting fact. Now you do not need to remember this huge number. It has a special symbol called pi. There is another important thing about this special constant pi. We get the same value if we divide 22 by 7. So, for ease of calculation, the value of pi is taken to be 3.14 or 22 by 7. Remember, these are just approximate value of pi. These are not the exact value of pi. If we call d as the diameter, the formula can be written as pi multiplied by d. We can say circumference of a circle equals pi multiplied by the diameter, which can also be written as pi multiplied by 2r, because the diameter is twice the radius. So, the circumference of a circle is written as 2 pi r. This is a very important formula as it gives you the value of circumference, even if you just have the radius of the circle. So, now we know the formulas are there to find the circumference of a circle. Let us see how we use the formula. Look at this picture. A pipe has outside diameter 13 centimeter. What is the circumference of this pipe? Let us use the formula. Now we know the diameter and the pi value. So we can use the formula C is equal to pi d. Substitute the value of pi is 3.14 and the diameter value is 13 to the formula. So we have 3.14 multiplied by 13, which is equal to 40.82. Note here, like any perimeter, circumference has its measurement. We always write unit of measure, that is circumference is equal to 40.82 centimeter. Let us understand how to find the circumference if the radius of a circle is given. We know that diameter is twice the radius, right? So, we have the formula to calculate circumference is c is equal to 2 pi r. Let us solve this problem. In this figure, we have got a radius is 11 centimeter. Let us find out the circumference by given radius. We have a formula c is equal to 2 pi r. Substitute the value of pi and radius. 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 11. We get 69.08. So, here we can say the circumference of this figure is 69.08 centimeter. These formula can also be used to identify diameter and radius when circumference is given to us. Here we know the circumference is 15.7 centimeter. We want to find the diameter. In the formula, substitute circumference is 15.7 and pi value 3.14. D is unknown. Which is unknown, to find, get the diameter, divide both sides by 3.14 to solve the equation. 15.7 divided by 3.14 is 5. And right side of the equation division gives you D. Here we have got the diameter of this circle is 5 centimeter. Let us see one more example. Let us solve this problem. The circumference of a circular table is 18.84 feet. What is the radius of the table? Since we have to find the radius of the table, use this formula. C is equal to 2 pi r. Substitute the value of circumference is 18.84 and right hand side 2 multiplied by pi value is 3.14 and r is unknown. The product of 2 and pi is 6.28. To solve the equation, divide both sides by 6.28. 18.84 divided by 6.28 is 3. And right hand side of the equation divides give you r. So, the radius of the table is 3 feet. I am sure you must have understood all these examples and you will be able to find the circumference of a circle very easily. As I always say, maths requires practice, so be sure to work on it. I will be back with some more new concepts, new videos. Stay tuned with UMaths. All the best, students. Thanks for watching.